Hello, I am Virtual Reality Art. I will show you the amazing VR performances of my creator. VR Artist Number 1, LesyGlow. On a big screen, in front of your audience, with a digital brush, LesyGlow paints a digital painting made to your order. She creates great VR content. This draws your target market to the event or brand. Long after the event, the viewer tells everyone about the new emotions they experienced. With a VR device, viewers are fully immersed in the birth of a painting. LesyGlow also gives lectures on VR painting, NFT, and the future of digital art. LesyGlow's work is a collaboration between visual art, the real world, and digital space. You can connect with a VR artist via WhatsApp.